I've stayed in 22 different resorts, hotels and homestays in Fiji in the past 15 months. Come and check them out and see which ones I like the best. You can also check out the rooms I stayed in my playlists, Fiji Room Tours. Let's start in the Yasawas, and probably where I first fell in love with Fiji. I stayed at Coconut Beach Resort. This place is in my top 3 favourites. Let's go to the Mamanuthas at the Sheraton Tokariki Resort, just underneath Mana Island. Next up, Nandi. You'll usually spend your first and last night in Nandi area, especially if you are coming from or going to the outer islands. I do love staying in the Wailaulau Beach area, and I've stayed in the main 3 accommodations. Starting at the top is Aquarius on the beach, in the middle the Ramada, and then Smuggler's Cove. This one is the Mercure in Nandi, and over here the Airport Ace Hotel. Then we have the Sofitel Denarau, and let's head down to the Coral Coast. The red marker is Gecko's Resort. On the left is the Shangri-La, the island, and the Outrigger Fiji. These last 2 I've only visited and haven't stayed. Next up along the line is Maiola Plantation, and then Namatakula Village at my first homestay. Next up is another top 3, Mango Bay Resort. Further along the coast we are at Pacific Harbour, and this is the Pearl Resort. And then we're moving to Suva. The top one is the Quest Suva, and the bottom is the Grand Pacific Hotel. Next, the island of Ovalau, Levuka, the old capital, where I stayed at the new Mavinda Lodge. Then right up the top to Vanuatu, we stayed in Savu Savu, Daku Resort, and another in my top 3 favourite places in Fiji. Back to Viti Levu at the northern side, we stayed in a beautiful homestay in Raki Raki and visited Voli Voli Resort. So there are all 22 places that I've visited, including my favourite 3. But I'm planning to come back real soon, but I need to know, where should I stay next?